How to log in to Uni Bham account. So if you want to log into Uni Bham account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Uni Bham login. And once you've searched for that, it will simply take you to the University of Birmingham. You can go for login, which is on the first search. And once you go for login, now you can simply choose the website login, or you can go for a staff and student login. So if you click on student and staff login, then you need to enter your Microsoft account that your college has provided you. Or you can go for the website login and you need to enter your username on the first blank and you need to enter your password on the next blank. And once you enter your information, now you can go for a login, which is here, so that you can log into your account. Or you can go for a staff and student login. And once you go for that, it will ask you to enter your email or your phone number or your Skype to log into your account. So simply enter the email that your University of Birmingham has provided you. And once you enter that, you need to click on next and then you need to enter your password. And once you enter your password, it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into Uni Bham account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.